People have extreme opinions about using AI to assist them in their marketing. Either they love it or they hate it. I'm in the camp of loving it, and in this video, I'm going to explain why those who hate on it just don't know how to use it. Plus, I'm going to be sharing some techniques and strategies that you can use in your business to help you market better. I'm Justin Keltner, and on this channel, we talk about marketing optimization, automation, and technology to help you run your business more efficiently and make more money. If that's something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss a single video. Also, I've put something really special together for you. We regularly help our clients automate their marketing and sales activity and remove as much as 80% of their workload. We've put our favorite marketing automations together for you, which can be downloaded below. When we implemented this for my partner Amanda's business, we saw a 1,300% increase in sales call bookings in the first 7 days. It's no secret that the more you post, the more attention you get and the more money you make. That's why AI is such a powerful tool to help you market more than your competition. The problem is most people don't know how to use AI properly, which is why you see complaints like, this sounds really corny and it's obvious that ChatGPT wrote it. 2, AI is just stealing other people's content. Or 3, I can't get it to sound like me. And all of those are true only if you don't know how to use ChatGPT to properly sound like you by actually training it. Now, how do you properly train ChatGPT? Well, you start with the very, very basics, which is something called custom instructions. In the custom instructions, which are available in your ChatGPT settings, you're able to say, here's context about me, who I am, what my business and products and services and things like that are about. So you have context about who I am as a person. And then there's another section called how to respond as this person. And in there you say, this is my grammatical style. This is how I like to talk. This is how I express myself. Do we like to use emojis? Do we not like to use emojis? Things of that nature. And a lot of people ask me, well, Justin, that sounds really, really easy if you're an expert in AI and you know exactly what to tell it so that it knows how to sound like you. Well, you're in luck today because you don't have to be an expert in AI to create custom instructions. In fact, you can use ChatGPT to build those custom instructions for you by simply feeding it a few pieces of content. So you could feed it, for example, a blog post, you could feed it a short video transcript, you could feed it in things like that, and say, act as an AI expert marketing consultant and create custom instructions within this many characters, create context about me, and then also create how to respond as me in a certain number of characters. And it'll do the work for you. Will you have to do a little bit of refinement? Maybe. Will it go over the character limit sometimes? And you'll have to basically ask it to rewrite it a little bit? Maybe. But for the most part, it works phenomenally well. So now that we've covered those custom instructions, the second way to get AI to sound like you is simply give it more information. Now, the way that ChatGPT and other AIs work is that they take all of the things that you feed into them and they use it in their context window, like in their essentially in their artificial brain, their pseudo consciousness, if you will, and they take that information and the response that they provide you whenever you're using a tool like ChatGPT is simply based on the information that you've put in. So if you tell ChatGPT, go ahead and write me a blog post about how to optimize my social media, it's going to write it in a voice that is probably an average of all of the different data points and voices and blogs and things that it's already consumed from the internet and the models that it's been essentially trained on. So you train that ChatGPT model as a company, as the owner of ChatGPT. So OpenAI is training ChatGPT on all this different information. So in a lot of ways, it's without any context, without any information about you and how you're unique and how your business is unique and what your voice sounds like. Even with those custom instructions, it's still going to be pulling the majority of what it outputs from all the other information that it's consumed. So in addition to having the custom instructions, you also want to feed it something else. For example, it's going to be a lot more effective if you feed it in a transcript of a short video and say, please write a blog post in such and such number of words with A, B, and C keywords prioritized from this video transcript than if you simply go in and say, write me a blog post based on this. Or even if you do want to write a blog post and you haven't already filmed an audio or a video file that you want to feed it in as a transcript, as an input, what you can do is just give it 2 or 3 sentences more about how you want it to write, what things are important to you, what you want it to cover in that blog post, even if it's just a couple sentences. And you'll find that by spending 5 minutes more at the beginning of that prompt, engineering the prompt in the right way, you're going to get a significantly better output at the end of the day. So that's what we have for today. Those are the 2 main ways that you can get ChatGPT to be better trained and to sound like you and to create content that's much more authentic, that's much more real than a lot of what you see out there on the internet. Like I mentioned earlier, please make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because we're going to be launching several videos a week about AI, about marketing, about automation, about different CRMs and other automations to use in your business to make you more efficient, save you more time, and make you more money. And make sure to get the guide down below at the end of the description about how we saved our partners hundreds of hours a month of time and increased their sales call bookings by over 13x. Looking forward to seeing you on the next video, and have a great day.